Hi guys, it's me again, Reina Palak, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're gonna walk through Form I-765, which is the application for employment authorization. So, this is one of the form that we need to file of our adjustment status. So, this is from the Department of Homeland Security and USCIS. Form I-765 expired on July 31, 2022. So, that is my birthday as well. Anyway, so first, as you can see right here, it says this is for USCIS only. So this form right here, we don't need to fill up. So here, let's start right here. And guys, don't forget to use a black pen, okay? If you're going to just write it down by yourself, always use black pen, black ink. So let's start right here. Always type print in black ink, okay? So part 1, reason for applying. I am applying for, so for me, I have to put A1, initial permission to accept for employment. So this will be for your working permit. So, initial permission to accept employment, replace of lost, stolen, damaged employment authorization document, correction, if your working permit was lost or stolen, so you can also put that right there. But for me, I am applying for my initial permission to accept the employment, so I have to write this one, like X this one. So, part 2. Part 2, information about you. So guys, as I forgot to tell you, if you are filing if you came here for K1, so this time we're using K1. Actually, I don't come here for K1, but let's just use this for a K1 filer. So it's so very easy. Usually people, like, we got married right here in America, so they filed K1 for us, like fiance visa. But anyway, your full legal name. So this is information about you. For example, my married name is Carmona. This is only an example, okay? Carmona, and my name is Reina, and my middle name is Bonita. So this is my legal name since I got married here in America. This is only for example, okay? So you put your married name right here. For example, you're Smith, or you got married to Mr. Smith, put Smith right there. Your name and your middle name. So right here, other names that use. So if you use other names like your single names, where is my documents right here? So like your single names. Okay, when I was like single, my last name is Bonita. And my name, I put my name right there, Reina. And my middle name, Palak. So, right here, if you use more other names, you can also fill this up. But me, that's all I got. So, I have to put this, not applicable. So, remember, don't leave anything blank, and if you think it's not applicable to you, you can always put in A. So guys, so let's go here. Part 2, information about you. So your US mailing address. So in care of, since I was the one who was filing this, I'm gonna put my name right here, Reina Bonita Carmona, and my address is 123 Powell Street. So if you have any like apartment number, you can put also right here 123 your apartment number. This is only for example, okay? And your city of town. For example, I am here in Emeryville, and my state is California, CA, with the zip code of 94608. So, is your current mailing address the same as your physical address? You can put, say, yes. So, when you click here, yes, this thing is automatically like you cannot write anything else right there. So, if you put no, if you think that you have another address, you can write your physical address right there. Okay? US physical address. So this one doesn't apply to me, so I can just leave it blank, or you can also put NA on it. So other information, alien registration number. So you can see your alien registration number on your NOA, on your receipt from the immigration. So it was on the right side. So then you have to write it down right here. It's very important that you have to fill this up. And then USCIS online account number. If you have any, then you can put your account number right here. But me, I don't have a USCIS account number, so I'm just gonna put it in A. So gender, number 10, female, because I am a female. Marital status. Since you came here with K1 visa, then you got married after before 90 days, you can put married, okay? And then have you previously filed form I-765? For me, since I don't file previously, I'm just gonna put no. If you think that you filed it before, then you can put yes. But for me, in my experience, I don't have any previous files. I have to put no. Has the Social Security Administration, SSA, ever officially issued a Social Security card to you? For me, yes. Because since I got here in America, after like 10 days, before 15 days, I went to Social Security and got my Social Security number. So I'm just gonna put this, yes. If you answered no on item 13, skip to item 14. If you answered yes, item number 13A, provide the information requested in the item. And item number 13, okay. Provide your Social Security number. So, if you think you have already a Social Security number, if you gotten already, don't forget to fill this out. Put your Social Security number. And then, do you want the SSA to issue you a Social Security card? You must answer yes to item number 15. Consent for disclosure to receive a card. So, since I have already a Social Security card number, I'm just gonna put this no. If you answered on to item number 14, skip the part 2. So, here, consent for disclosure. I authorize disclosure of information from this application to SSA as required for purpose of assigning me an SSN and issuing me a Social Security card. So, I'm just gonna put no because I have it already. If you have answered yes to items, item numbers 14 and 15, provide information requested items on number 16 to 17. So this one, provide your father's birth name. Since I have already my Social Security card number, I don't need to fill this up. But if you think but if you don't have Social Security, guys, you have to fill this out, okay? So for me, I'm just gonna put this NA right here because I have already my Social Security. So your country or countries of citizenship or nationality. Okay, list all countries where you are currently a citizen or national. If you need extra space to complete this item, use the space provided in Part 6, Additional Information. So, country, so I am a citizen of the Philippines. So I'm just gonna put Philippines right here. I have only one citizenship, so I'm just gonna put Philippines. And if you think you have another country nationalities, you can also fill this up if you are dual citizen or something like that. But for me, I'm only a Filipino. I'm from the country of the Philippines, so I'm just gonna put that Philippines. Part 2, information about you. So this is continuously from right here. So place of birth, list the city, town, and village, state, province, and country where you were born. City, town, and village of birth. So I was born in Butuan City, state of province, Agusan del Norte, and my country of birth is Philippines. And then, here, date of birth, don't forget to put your date of birth. I was born on July 31, 1979, so I have to put that right there. Information about your last arrival in the United States. Form I-94, Arrival Departure Record Number. So you got this, whenever you arrive here in United States, you have a Form I-94 on Arrival Departure. So guys, always save it because that is very important. In every application that we have to fill up in USCIS, they always ask for I-94 Arrival Departure Record Number. So always put it right there. Don't forget to fill that out. And your passport number. Your recent, okay? Your recent passport number. And travel document number if you have any. Me, I don't have any, so I'm just gonna put NA because it's not applicable to me. Country that I use your passport or travel document, it was Philippines. And then expiration, don't forget to put the expiration number. And date of last arrival to United States or any. So if you have to put right here. So you have to put the date of your last arrival on United States, like September 09/31 2012. So that's my arrival. And then place of your last arrival into United States. So San Francisco or SFO. Immigration status. Okay, immigration status of your last arrival. For example, B2, visitor, F-1, student, or number of status. So, for example, I came here for K1 fiancé visa. So you have to put K1 fiancé visa. If you think you arrive here in V2, you have to put V2. But for me, I'm just gonna put this K1 fiancé visa as a sample, okay? So, your current immigration status or category, for example, B2, visitor, F1, student, parole, deferred action, and status category. So, yeah, you have to put also K1 fiancé visa. Student and exchange visitor information system. So, that is not applicable to me. I'm just gonna put it in A. Okay? So, eligibility category. Refer to the who may file Form 7I-65 section of the Form I-765 instruction to determine the appropriate eligibility category for this application. Enter the appropriate letter and number of your eligibility category below, for example, A8 and 7. So, guys, since you are filing a K1 visa, so you are belong to category C9, okay? You are belong to category C9. So, 28, what is this? STEAM OPT eligibility category. So, this is not applicable for us. For K1 visa. So, all you gotta do is put NA on it. NA. And number 30, you can just leave it blank. You don't need to answer the question because that is not applicable to us. So, part 2, information about you. If you answer yes to item 30, so since item number 30 is not applicable for us, so you don't need to put anything right here. You can leave it blank or you can just put NA, not applicable for you. But for me, I always put NA. Okay, so 31. Eligibility of category, this is not applicable for us. You can put NA for K1 visa, and 31, you can leave it blank, 31B. So part 3, applicant statement, contact information, declaration, certification, and signature. So read the penalty section of the Form I-765 instructions before completing this section. You must file for I-765 while in the United States. Select the box either item number 1.A, okay, and 1B if applicable. Select the box for the item number 2. So A1, I can read and understand English, and I have read and understand every section, every question and instruction of this application, and my answer to every question. So I will put here, since I understood, and I don't have an interpreter as well, so you can put A1 if you are the one who are the preparer, okay? So right here, applicant's contact information. Don't forget to put your number, okay? Daytime telephone number or any number that available for you to call. So anytime if you have if USCIS will update your status, they can call you anytime, and don't forget to put your email as well. So right here, refer to special filing instructions for those with pending asylum application. So this is not applicable for us. You can just put NA on it, and number 31B, you can just leave it blank. Applicant's declaration and certification. Copies of any documents I have submitted are exact photocopies of unaltered original documents. And I understand that USCIS might require that I submit to original documents to USCIS at a later date. Furthermore, I authorize the release of any information from any and all of my records that USCIS may need to determine my eligibility for the immigration benefit that I seek. I furthermore authorize release of information contained in this application and supporting documents and in my USCIS records to other entities and persons where necessary for the administration and informant of USCIS of U.S. immigration law. Okay. Always read everything. Please take time to read so you can understand what you are filing and what you are answering, okay? Part 3, applicant statement, contact information, declaration and certification and signature. So always read it right here. To make my video short, I'm not gonna read this, okay, guys? Always read that, and yeah. After that, don't forget, I certify under the penalty of perjury that all of the information of my application of any document submitted with it were provided or authorized by me. So I reviewed and understand all the information contained in the submitted with the application, and that all of this information is complete, true, and correct. Okay, you have to swear. Applicant signature, so you have to sign right here. Your signature right here. Don't forget your signature because that is very important. And then the date of your signature. You have to sign this before sending it to USCIS. Otherwise, they will deny your application. Don't forget to sign. Use the black pen and the date after filing it, and then you can mail it to them. Number 4, interpreter's contact information, certification, and signature. Since I don't have an interpreter and I was the preparer, guys, you can just leave this blank. Otherwise, you can also put NA on it. Okay? NA. So, number 4, interpreter's contact. So, this is not applicable to us since I was the one who was just filing my application. I'm just going to put in A on this. In A. Okay? Interpreter's telephone number, just put in A, not applicable. It's not applicable. Okay. So, I think we are done already. Wow, that's so fast and easy, huh? So, yeah, I am doing this based only for my experience, okay? So, number 5, contact information, declaration, and signature of the person preparing this application, if other than the applicant. Provide the following information. So, this one, you don't have a preparer's name, so you don't need to put anything on it, okay? Because it says like if other than the applicant. So preparer's mail, okay. So yeah, it's all done right here. Preparer's signature, preparer certification by my signature. I certify the forgery of application that the applicant reviewed complete. Okay, this is only for the preparer. So this is additional information. If you have any additional information that you want to provide, you can put it here. Otherwise, you can just put NA. It's not applicable to you and you can just leave it blank. Anyway, guys, yeah, good luck to you for your filing of your application for employment of authorization. And if you have any question, you can always comment me and I am here to answer your question. And I think I hope that everything is good to you, and that's all. And I want to thank you guys for watching my videos, and please don't forget to subscribe, like my channel, and give me a thumbs up. And if you want to receive a notification for my future videos, you can always click the bell button. So it will notify you if I have new videos. So right now, I'm just going to prepare more videos about how to file our adjustment of status here in USCIS. I'm just sharing you this based to my experience. I'm not a lawyer. I'm not a lawyer. I'm just like doing this for my experience, and thanks God, everything got approved. But so I'm sharing this to you. Good luck to you, and yeah, welcome to United States of America. God bless you all, and bye bye. Have a great day. So, oh. Okay. Cancel. Quit. I want to quit that.